So, you reckon you know the bloke who runs this place?
He doesn't run it, he just works there. His name's Donny. I don't like putting labels on things, but he's definitely my best friend.
Your best friend? How'd you meet him?
Met him at a party.
A party?
I got a whiff of him. He got a whiff of me. We were both like, yeah. We drank James Bogues.
James Bogues? That's our bevo.
Whatever.
We shouldn't have that in the car.
Donny, baby! Partying hard or hardly partying?
You guys here to review the shop, huh?
Yeah, g'day. Henry. So, you got any recommendations?
I'm a vegetarian actually, so you know, I steer clear of the old chook.
A vegetarian who works at a chicken shop? Oh, that's a bit weird.
Open your mind, idiot. You're still allowed to touch the chicken.
I do touch the chicken.
Yeah, you can touch
A lot.
He touches the chicken and he drinks James Bogues. His name is Donny. He's my best friend.
Sam, watch this. Oh, I really need to use the toilet.
We'll just ask Donny. I've seen him go on Smoko.
Excuse me, Donny, is there a toilet around here?
Yeah, man, just inside.
Really?
I'm joshing you, man. It's ages that way. I've never even been there. I'm pretty sure it doesn't exist. Here's the map and the key. Try not to lose it, huh?
Yeah. Hey, Sam, come to the toot.
Get fucked. I'm staying here with Donny.
Fine. Bones.
Mind if I have a drag?
You smoke?
Oh yeah, big time. Do you like the Cat Empire? Me, you, Kentucky Tour 2015. I want to explore with you, man.
I'm gonna go check on your mate.
I'm dying. Donny, thank you. I can't believe I was saved by a pedo.
What? I'm not a pedo. Do I give off like a pedo vibe?
Oh, for sure, man. Don't worry, we'll still leave a good review.
Hey, what did you do to my best friend Donny, the pedophile?
You are the biggest little weirdo I've ever met, man. There will be no Kentucky.
Facility's okay. Pretty good chips for a pedo.
Oh, Henry.
Dirty bird. Keep on pretending.